birthday mo?
Makasama lang ang family. Okay na. Happy.
Sam, I have a question for you. Can you describe your mom?
Hindi po, konting gentle lang po siya po. Pero, how do you explain this? Basically, she is very gentle. And, she lets me play outside all the time.
Next question. What do you love most about your mom?
The time just she lets me play outside.
What is your mommy's favorite thing to do?
She usually sings APT most of the time.
What's your favorite thing to do with mom?
The thing is, I haven't spent time most of the time with my mom. Basically, I have been sleeping earlier at 7:30. The time is that I usually play. Because I go and play.
What does mommy do that's silly?
I would basically call her silly. That I cannot describe her as a silly person. Because she's always serious most of the time.
When you're scared or sad, what does mommy do to cheer you up?
Basically, she just tells me that, just leave the door open. Kung hindi ka matutulog, sasarado ko tabi, be like,
If you could go anywhere with mommy, where would you want to go?
anywhere. Anywhere.
What do you do that makes mommy laugh?
Basically, I can do anything just to make her smile.
What does mommy do to show you she loves you?
Everything.
Tell me something.
I'm crying.
Tell me why do you love your mom?
The time that she sings most of my favorite songs, like right now, she's singing Birds of a Feather. She mostly cooks for me, even though she's mad.
What is your message to your mommy for her birthday?
For today, Mommy, kung nakikita mo pa to, I love you and happy birthdays. I wish for you just to finish your driving as fast as possible. Hopefully you passed everything most of the time. Sometimes you fail, but that's a part of driving because you can make mistakes sometimes. Happy birthday!
Ano masabi mo sa birthday ni Gali?
Huwag ka natatakan. Huwag ka na mawawala, Gali. We love you, Gali.
Ringo, ano masabi mo kay Gali, Ringo? Zoe, ano masabi mo sa birthday ni Gali, Zoe? Gali, ano masabi mo sa birthday ni Gali? Ay, ikaw pala si Gali!
Happy birthday!
Ano masabi mo sa birthday ni Gali, Mami?
Happy birthday, baby ko! Happy birthday!
Wala ka po ba dyan?
Huwag ka na nga, nagigigil ako sa'yo. What's my go-to comfort food when I come home? Napay. Yes, barbecue and goto. Yan. Favorite cartoon character growing up?
Powerpuff Girls.
I know. No.
Hindi ko alam yung pangalan, nakalimutan ko. Pero yung unggoy. Ano tayo nun? Don't rock.
Galing. Yan. Tama. Did I play any instruments growing up?
Ano ko nagsikan ng mga kaserola?
Ikaw.
Flute.
Ikaw.
Definitely hindi guitar.
Counted ba yung instrument pa yan? Tao. Wala.
Yung ano?
Hindi ako nag-live. Hindi.
Tamang answer.
Clarinet. Close yung flute. Yes! Nag-clarinet ako. Oh! Ano yan? First year, second year. First year's question. Do I like my eggs scrambled or sunny side up?
Side up.
Bold egg.
Sunny side up.
Hindi.
Sunny side up.
Scrambled.
Ano masabi nyo kay Angel? One word.
Mamaw.